This is number 6 from the 2025 8th grade math STAAR test. It says quadrilateral TUVW is transformed, creating quadrilateral TUVW prime. Which rule describes the transformation applied to quadrilateral TUVW to create quadrilateral TUVW prime? So TUVW is this shape right here, so that's called our pre-image, and TUVW prime is going to be right here, and that's going to be called our image. So basically we're going from the green to the pink. So it looks to me like this was a translation, and you can tell that also by looking at the answer choices because we're just adding or subtracting to the x and y values. So let's look at how we get from t to t prime. So starting at t, we're just going to go to the right until we're even with t prime. And so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we went 6 to the right. And so our x values increased. And so the rule for the x values is going to be x plus 6. So we can eliminate b and d. Now we need to go down. And so we have to go down 1, 2 spaces to get to our image. And so because our y values are decreasing now, we're going down, our rule for the y value is going to be y minus 2. And so we can see that x plus 6, y minus 2 is on letter C. So we're going to go with letter C.